In April 2016, the then Health Minister Leo Varadkar told RTE that the National Children's Hospital was expected to cost €650 million and that may increase somewhat.
We now have a planning permission for the new hospital on the campus of St James's.
And the money is in place to get the job done, to get it completed?
Yeah, that's right. 650 million is provided for over the next number of years to build the hospital. That includes provision for VAT, inflation, and also a contingency cost in case something goes wrong.
Cut to April 2017, and the Cabinet was signing off on the project to clear the way to build it. This is when we found out for the first time that it would top the €1 billion mark. Health Minister Simon Harris said things had been added like a hospital school, a research centre, and the hospital was going to be fully digital. And he said the government would make no apology for making a significant investment. Earlier this month, it was confirmed that the hospital is now going to cost €1.7 billion. That's over $1 billion more than what Leo Varadkar had said in April 2016, less than 3 years earlier. Why the increase? Well, that's what an independent review is now going to try and establish.
Unless heads roll, unless people are held to account for this disgraceful overrun, they will continue to do it.
A couple of things we know already, though. The way the procurement system was designed, it meant work was to begin on clearing the hospital site and constructing the underground part before the design of the overground part was locked down. It meant there were a lot of unknowns. The hospital's development board said they had designed typical rooms, but not all 6,000 of them. The board has listed a number of other factors which it says has driven up the cost. But it now says it has price certainty. Given the size of the overrun, though, questions remain about whether that €1.7 billion price tag could increase further. The government has warned other areas of health could now be affected as a result. That cystic fibrosis unit at Beaumont, that second cath lab in Waterford, the new National Maternity Hospital. All of those things are not being cancelled, but they're on a long list of projects which are now expected to be delayed.